Hi everybody. I have a problem with the iCloud. I want to download all the photos, but it is not possible. There is no way to download all the photo, which I have more than 300. So it is really headache. So what I have to do and what I have done, so is easiest way I will show you. So first you see, as you can see there I have lots of problem here. iCloud is giving me warning and lots of headache. Okay, so what I recommend, you go to, now I'm downloading and you can see there is 300 is just downloaded now, everything. And first you go open your photo. Okay, on your Mac, open your photo. When you open your photo, choose your photo and then go to preferences. Okay, when you come to the preferences, the point is here. So you click on iCloud and choose download originals to this Mac. When you choose this and you close it, then it will download all the photos to this Mac. So which I already downloaded this all, and now I can go back to my my iCloud. Okay, and then I can delete all of this. I can go to the iCloud and I can delete all without any problem. So I think it can help you just with one click to as a review. Open your photos application. Okay, and when you open your photo application, okay, then you go to preferences again and then just go to iCloud and click on download original files. Okay, and then you can get all the files and then you can delete all file on your iCloud and make more space. Okay, have a good day and hope this tutorial will be useful to you. Okay, bye.